Hi, I'm Devin with Pike Nurseries, and today we're talking about fresh garland and wreaths to deck the halls for Christmas. Fresh garland goes perfectly with a fresh cut Christmas tree and will add fragrance to your home. Here are 4 types of fresh garland to consider. Cedar garland is the easiest type of fresh garland to use for the mantle, since it's relatively flat and spills over the edge. Be sure to cut the lengths of garland in half so the cedar branches can hang uniformly on each side of the mantle. Mixed cedar garland has a similar look, but includes juniper sprigs and berries mixed in to give it more personality. Noble fir garland is another option. It's fragrant and slightly less bulky than the cedar or mixed garland. Many Christmas trees are noble fir, so this garland ties in with your tree for a consistent look. White pine roping is a thinner, pliable garland that is easy to wrap around mailboxes, columns, fence rails, and more. This is an economical choice if you're trying to cover a large area. You could also double it up if you want a little fuller look. Here at Pike Nurseries, all these garland types are available in bulk rolls to cover lots of space, or we can cut the cedar, mixed, and noble garland by the foot if you just need a few feet. Now let's talk about fresh Christmas wreaths. There are many types and sizes of wreaths. We have about 10 different wreaths decorated and plain. We have sizes ranging from 20 to 48 inches. The different types of wreaths to consider include noble fir, which will offer a consistent look with your Christmas tree. It comes plain so you can decorate it however you like. Mixed noble offers a similar look to the noble, but with berry, junipers, and cedar for more variety and fragrance. Boxwood wreaths offer a brighter green color and a different texture for a more contemporary look. They're quite pretty on their own, or you can add decorations. There are also pre-decorated options with berries and fruit. There's even a wreath for your mailbox. Now let's talk about how to make fresh Christmas greenery last as long as possible. The key to keeping greenery fresh is maintaining moisture in the stems and leaves. When you get your garland and wreaths home, soak them in cold water overnight, then spray it with an all-natural preservative like Wilt Stop. By using the spray, water loss is minimized. And now you're ready to start decorating for Christmas with fresh, fragrant greenery. Our certified plant experts in our stores can help you choose your greenery and cut the garland for you. Or you can place an order online for local delivery or curbside pickup at pikenursery.com.